So I don't know if you can tell, but the kitchen's all, I mean, it's fairly clean, but you can't really tell, but there's like footprints and stuff all over everything. That's where we're gonna paint. Right there and right there. Yeah, the rest of everything, this one looks fine. This is fine. I'm just 30, but there's some sort of something right there. So we'll take care of that. Let's see. Sorry if it's gonna make you sick to look at the, so if you can tell, it's just covered in gnarly nastiness. That's not terrible. The stove is gonna need some cleaning. Let's see. There's just like random scuff marks all over everything, but not too bad. There's see stuff like that. So I don't know. But yeah, I mean, you know, not terrible. There's the hole. Okay.